hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need you, I need you right now. I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my hands, darling. I know that you're being real, and I need you the most. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Let me down, down, down. Let me down, let me down, down, down. Running out of time. I really got you on my side, but there's nobody by my side. I need you, I need you right now. I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind.
Sometimes something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing. I just had to
Time's running out, take a talk and settle mine. Only a thread of life, do you believe?
My lover's got humor. She's the show me how to lie. You're getting better all the time and turning on against what isn't hard to change. Another clever word sets up in unsuspecting hurt, and as you step in the line, who wants you to be? Now dance, fucker, dance, maybe never let a chance, but I don't even know. It was only you would never see it away. With a thousand eyes and a good taste spread, it'll right between the eyes, it'll right between the eyes. It'll all go away, never know what I said. See the lightning in your eyes, see the lightning for the light. Slowly outlining.